Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making this amazing banana cake drizzled with caramel sauce. It's super soft and moist. It's such a simple cake to make. It only needs a few ingredients, so let's get started. Here in a bowl, I'll be adding in 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of flour. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve well. If you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. You can add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder if you like. Mix well and set aside. The full recipe will be given in the description down below. In another bowl, I'll be adding half a cup of oil, and here I'll be sieving half a cup of powdered sugar. Now we will beat the sugar and oil just for 1 minute until combined. Now I will add my eggs one at a time. Beat together until light and fluffy. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, Now here I'm adding 3 medium-sized mashed bananas and 1/4 cup of yogurt. Mix until just combined. Now add in your dry ingredients. Beat until no lumps are visible. Don't overmix. Wipe down the sides with a spatula and give it one more time a gentle mix. Now in a greased pan lined with butter paper, we will add our batter. Here I'm using a 5 to 6 inch mold. Even out your cake batter. Now use a toothpick and swirl it around in the batter just in case to remove any air bubbles. Now we will put our batter aside and prepare our topping. Here I have half a cup of walnuts. To it I'm gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of flour, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and half a teaspoon of cold butter. If you don't have butter, you can use ghee. Mix well. And now top your cake batter with the walnut topping. Spread it out evenly. You can add more walnuts if you like, or you can double the quantity of the topping. Now we will bake our cake for 50 to 55 minutes on medium to low in a pot. If you are using an electric oven, you can bake at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until done. Here our cake is perfectly baked. Demold your cake gently. Just look at how spongy and moist and soft this cake is. Here I'm adding caramel sauce. The recipe of the caramel sauce will be given in the description down below. If you need the recipe, please mention in the comments down below. I'll make a separate video of it. Here our cake is perfectly ready, drizzled with caramel sauce. Look how beautifully it turned out. Just look at how soft and spongy this cake is, and it's super moist. You guys have to try out this recipe. Your kids will surely love it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do try it out. And if you have any questions, just drop it down in the comments. I'll try and answer everyone. And thanks for watching. Bye.